Good morning, students. In your chapter, these problems of measurement, problem set 47. Yesterday we started these problems at 47 and we studied also 5 examples. Then today you see this 6th one. If a man walks at a speed of this 4 km per hour, how long will it take him to walk this 3 km? A man walks at a speed of this 4 km per hour. Means in 1 hour, in 1 hour he walks 4 km. Then in 3 km, how long will it take this time? In see here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 4 kilometer means in 1 hour 4000 meter. 4 kilometer in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Is 4 kilometer in 60 minutes. In 60 minutes. Then in 3 kilometer, this time is you take here. See here, 4 kilometer in 60 minutes. Then you take here half 2 kilometer in 60 minutes here, half minute, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And 1 kilometer in 130 half again 15 minutes. Then see this total is here 3 kilometer in how many minutes here? 45 minutes. Answer this. The man walks in 3 kilometer how many times here? 45 minutes. Then 7th one, see this example. If a rickshaw travels at a speed of 30 km per hour, how far will it travel in 3/4 of an hour? 3/4 of an hour. See here, even in 1 hour, he travels, a rickshaw travels 30 km. Then in 3/4 of an hour, 3/4 of an hour means 3/4 hour. How many kilometer? 1 hour is equal to 30 kilometer. Then 3/4. 3/4. How many kilometers? See this 3/4 into 30. 3/4 into 30. Then here 4 ones are 4. Here 4 sevens are 28. Then point here 4 5s are 20. 7.5. 7.5 into 3. You do this here multiplication. 7.5 into 3. Then here answer is 22.5 kilometer. 22.5 kilometer means in answer, question is here how far will it travel in 3/4 of an hour? In 3/4 of an hour he travels 22.5 kilometer. Then 8th one. During cleanliness week, children cleaned the public park in their town. They collected 3/4 kilogram of plastic bags. 3/4 kilogram of plastic bags. 3/4 kilogram means here 750 gram. And 5.5 kilogram of other garbage. 5.5 means 5 kg and here 500 gram. Here kg right, here gram right. Means here 5 kg 500 gram of other garbage. Then how much garbage did they collected in all? In all means you do here addition. See here 3/4 kg means 750 gram and 5.5 kilogram means here 5 kg 500 gram. Then do this addition. 5 plus 0 5 7 5, 2 here, 1 carry, 6 kg to 50 gram. 6 kg to 50 gram. Means how much garbage did they collected in all? They collected in all 6 kg to 50 gram of garbage. Then see this next one, ninth one. If one shirt needs 2 meter 50 centimeter of cloth, how much cloth do we need for 5 shirts? One shirt, if one shirt need here 2 meter 50 centimeter cloth, then how much cloth do we need for 5 shirts? For 5 shirts, how much cloth needed? 2 meter 50 centimeter. You do here multiplication. 500, 5 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 2 10, 10, 11, 12. 12 meter 50 centimeter needed for cloth. For 5 shirts. How much? 12 meter 50 centimeter. This centimeter. See that. See this 10th one question. If a car travels to 60 kilometer in an hour, car travels 60 kilometer in an hour, means here in 1 hour travels car 60 kilometer. 60 kilometer. How far will it travel in 2 hours? First one question is 2 hours. How far will it travels? In 1 hour how many kilometers? 60 kilometer. Then in 2 hours means 2 into 60 is equal to, first one answer 120 kilometer. Then second one see 15 minutes. In 15 minutes how far will it travel in? See here, in 1 hour 60 kilometer. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Then in 30 minutes, half hour means 30 minutes. In 30 minutes how many kilometer? Half this 30 kilometer. Then again 30 minutes half 15 minutes. 15 minutes in 30 half 15 kilometer. Means in 15 minutes travels car 15 kilometer. Then third one answer half an hour. Half an hour means here 30 minutes. Half an hour means 30 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes is equal to how many kilometer? 60 kilometer. Then half an hour means 30 minutes. In 30 minutes how many kilometer here? 30 kilometer. Means half an hour the car travels how many kilometer? 30 kilometer. Then in this examples, in 10th one, this 4th one, see 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. See, in 1 hour car travels 60 kilometer. Then in 3 hours means 3 into 60 here 180 kilometer. And in again half hour means in 30 minutes. 30 minutes he travels 30 kilometer. Means total these 3 and in a half hour how many car travels? 0, 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 210 kilometer. 210 kilometer. The car travels in 3.5 hours here 210 kilometer. Then next one see is 11th. If one gold bangle is made from this 12 gram grams 250 milligrams of gold. How much gold will be needed to make 8 such bangles? One gold bangle is made. One gold bangle made here 12 gram 250 milligram means mg. Then needed to 8 such bangles means 12 gram 250 milligram multiply here 8 0 0 8 5 are 40 0 4 8 2 the 16 16 4 means here 0 again 4 12 8 ja 96 plus 2 98 gram 0 milligram means here the 8 such bangles needed 98 grams gold 98 grams gold for these 8 bangles. In this practice set 47, again some examples. This remaining part tomorrow. Then in homework you solve this today's class work. Okay. Bye.